One how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll introduce app. It's called Chat by Mistral AI. So basically this is AI assistant for your day-to-day activity and work. So you'll get your answer, generate your image, and you can read AI related news. So if you look at the information about this app, 3.6 rating out of 5 and 27 megabyte size of the app, and 5 lakh people already download this app. And if you want to see the people give the ratings here and also bad ratings, if you want to check how many features here, like meet lay chat, so you can meet with people, get verified answer, you will get answer, upload and ask, you can ask, upload your picture and then you can ask. It's like a chat gpt or other things now, and you can plan ahead, and there are a lot of things here. You can download this app from Google Play Store and App Store. So today's no man, see you the next video.